Hey guys, I hope you're doing really well. It is time for
What Up Wednesday!
Chris, you doing alright?
I am good, thank you, Saffron. I am doing very good, thank you.
Good. Have you had a good... Oh, yeah. I'm really well, thank you.
Polite, innit? Ask you back.
How's your weekend been?
It's been cracking, moved house. Way! So, flat back furniture, Allen keys out, cardboard box forts. It's amazing. Yeah.
It's a beautiful house. It's quite nice. It's good. Okay, Chris, what is the score so far, actually? It is...
I think it's... Do you know what? I was thinking about this driving in. No one else is keeping score. It's literally just me and you. I know that I'm winning. And
this is why I think we should get rid of the score and just do week by week now. I think so.
Yeah, because she's like how many behind? 7 or 8 behind or something like that? Maybe it's not that many.
I think it's 5 or 6 I'm behind. So maybe we should just get rid of the score and start from scratch.
What's that?
Oh no. He's actually going to count. Oh, what is it?
It's 12-7.
Yeah, let's get rid of the score. Nobody else is counting.
It's 12-7.
Nobody else is counting. So we'll do week by week. That's what we're going to do from now on. Sounds good.
No. No deal.
Deal. Still there. Okay, Chris, what are we doing this week?
We're playing a game.
Yay.
Called Elephant Tennis Ball.
That was pretty good.
That's
just
made that up on the spot. Elephant tennis ball. The idea is we're going to stick a pair of tights on our head with a tennis ball in it, look like an elephant, and we've got to knock some bottles over. Who can knock the bottles over the quickest, basically, is the challenge for this week. Elephant tennis ball.
Let's go.
Saffron. You've been practicing this, haven't you? Oh, I bet you have.
Yeah! But no, I'm not too practiced. I can't see.
13 seconds.
I was doing so well for the
13.6 seconds.
That's pretty decent.
That is really good. I'm not going to be that.
3, 2, 1, Oh. No! On my way.
Yeah!
No. You beat me by 2 seconds. 2 seconds. That's...
Champione!
So this week's champion, because we're going week by week now.
13-7.
Sorry, Christopher, we're not doing that anymore.
13-7.
This week's champion is Christopher.
13-7.
This week's, not overall, this
13-7.
week's. I think we should vote. Should we do week by week?
13-7.
I think so. 13-7. There we go. So, guys, have a good week. We will see you later.